How to Use Your Syllabus. The STM How-To series. A syllabus is a contract between a professor and their students. The document outlines the expectations for both sides for the class that's being taught. Professors can have different strategies for delivering content and assessing knowledge. Professors can structure their classes in many ways. You can see a few examples here of how professors might assess your learning and allocate marks. With this spectrum of class structures, you might be wondering how to adjust for the different expectations of each class. Thankfully, each class has a syllabus that you can use to set yourself up for success. Think of your syllabus as the roadmap to navigating your class. The starting point is the first day of class, and the end point is the successful completion of the course. Your assignments are the route you need to take to get to that destination. Write down assignment deadlines, readings, and test dates in a calendar or day planner. This is your itinerary, showing you what you need to focus on at each stage of the journey. If you miss a deadline, just like if you miss a turn, you can recover, but the journey is a lot smoother if you don't. The syllabus will also include information on the grading system your professor will use. Pay attention to what's expected so you don't miss something critical and end up going in the wrong direction. Repeatedly refer back to the course objectives to make sure that you're on the right track. If you only think about the destination, you might miss out on important aspects of the journey. Your classes are teaching you important things. Take a minute to reflect on the skills you're building and how they'll help you in the future. In summary, a syllabus is a contract between you and your professor that outlines what to expect during the duration of the class. Professors have different ways of structuring classes, so you need to adjust accordingly. The syllabus is a roadmap that can help you successfully get to your destination of a completed course. Refer to it to make sure you understand your requirements, how grades are determined, and to make sure you're hitting the desired learning objective. Thanks for watching.